Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. Today we are once again building something from The Legend of Zelda. I recently had a couple of young visitors. My niece and nephew came to visit me a few weeks ago, and they both had some Kindle 7s, which I use a Kindle 10 back there. It's a little bit bigger, and I got to kind of mess with theirs just a little bit, and it kind of hit me all together. That would be the perfect thing to build around to make Link's Sheikah Slate. So, today we are going to build a Sheikah Slate from Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Let's get to building. There are several 3D models of the slate on the phone app I use as a reference called Sketchfab. I bought this Kindle Fire 7 on sale for $39. This What the Foam from Cosplay Apprentice is perfect for this type of build. Super dense foam that can support the screen and not make it too thick. There is a free template for this build down in the description. The case itself is made up of 4 layers. The bottom layer, which is 6mm, only has a handle cutout. The red line on the template is the portion of the screen sits in. I use 6mm and 4mm pieces for a total of 10 in this area. Then the top layer is the green line. It's what overhangs over the screen and secures everything into place. That is also 6mm. I wanted to make the screen removable so it could be charged and so I'd still have access to the buttons on it. So I'm using these magnets I had that are used for name badges. I just trace them into position and cut out a wedge of foam to sit it in. I make it go flush with the base so that it will sit proud on the removable piece. That way it kind of secures it into place and keeps it from sliding off. I cut the handle portion off and glued it permanently with the other layers. I did this because the handle has a raised wrap around it and I didn't want to have like a seam line or something going through it so that you could pull the whole thing off. The middle was kind of flapping open, so I added some smaller neodymium magnets to snug it up. The second page of the template is all the overlay pieces. I marked where I want them to go and laid down a layer of contact cement. Then I pushed them down into place. The Sheikah symbol is all through the Zelda series. To add in some detail grooves, I used a flat bit on my wood burner and went over my lines. Make sure to wear a respirator and work in a well ventilated area when you do this. Burning foam fumes are not a great thing to breathe in. I used some 12mm EVA dowels for the circle details on the red foam. Then I took my Dremel with a sanding drum, pulled out a little bit to make some more details. For the raised handle grip, I used some 10mm EVA dowel halves I bought at TNT Cosplay Supply Online. I just start off on one side and made a random weave around the handle to mimic the in-game model. For the details on the front around the screen, I chose to use a hot glue bead. This seemed like a better idea than trying to cut off the intricate pattern out of foam or burn it in with a wood burner. Two coats of Plasti-Dip to seal, then I hit with some brown spray paint to act as the base layer. Now the painful task of painting all these details by hand and trying to paint the small edges too. I used some new Plat Effects acrylic paint for most of the build. The iris on the eye on the back is painted using some folk art color shift. Of course you know that this is way too clean for a Much Props video, so time to dirty it up with some black acrylic paint. Basically you just wipe off the excess with a paper towel. And we are finished. Here is the end result. I downloaded a couple of pictures off of Google search of the actual screenshots from the game that would be on it. So I've got this and the rune screen and a couple of other things, but overall not too bad. I think it turned out pretty cool. Definitely something that if you already had a Kindle 7, it would be something pretty cool to build around it as like a case, or you could even take it as far as to buy one and build it all around just buying that one thing like I did. When I got mine, it was on sale for like 39 bucks. The Kindle stuff does go on sale from every now and again, and you can kind of pick it up on discount. So definitely be looking out on Amazon for these. I'll put links to this on my affiliates page just in case you want to buy it through me and help me out a little bit. But overall, I think this turned out pretty cool. Definitely something that will take your cosplaying to the next level and could also make you look like a super nerd playing your Breath of the Wild while having a Sheikah Slate right next to you. Maybe you will try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your ability to pull things straight out of the game into reality. I mean, that's kind of the point of the whole channel. Maybe you'll get some...
Yay!
And inevitably, they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. I will say this, there are a lot more things on here than I thought Link actually had access to, so let's see if I can't pull up something cool on here. Oh, would you look at that? Link watches Much Prop Deku Masks on YouTube. Huh. Peace out!